Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. Here are some reasons why you should include eggplant in your diet. Eggplant is rich in anthocyanins. They have anti-diabetic, anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory effects, helping fight germs and even lose weight. Here are the top reasons to include eggplant in your daily diet. Reduces cholesterol levels. Eggplant is a source of chlorogenic acid, a powerful free radical scavenger. Chlorogenic acid can help lower the levels of bad cholesterol that damages arteries. This acid also has antiviral, anti-cancer, and antimicrobial properties. Promotes brain health. Brain functionality does not work well with age. Regular consumption of eggplant has been found to help reduce mental decline in older adults. People who eat eggplant every week also have more sulfur in the centers of the brain that control memory and emotion. Fight cancer. The polyphenols found in eggplant have been found to have anti-cancer effects. In addition, the vegetable contains chlorogenic acid and anthocyanins, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Anthocyanins protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, which in turn prevent tumor growth and the invasion of cancer cells, and also promote cancer cell death. Helps control diabetes. Eggplants are low in soluble carbohydrates and high in fiber, making them low in fiber. Tests confirm the role of eggplant in the treatment and control of diabetes. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.